Welcome to 10 out of 10 quick math tutorials, where we make really great 10 out of 10 math tutorials for the hardest subjects. And we use Paint because we are too lazy to make real videos. We're going to be hosted by our great hosts, Guy and Jerry. And they are not actually going to be teaching anything today, and they don't actually speak. Now, it's very important that we remember what we're doing today. We're using art. Art is the greatest part of math, and it's important if we're going to understand anything at all. So, the Box and Whisker plot, it is long. And it's good to be long, because it's art. Anything can be art as long as you look at it the right way. This can be a guy, for all we know, just trying to live his life. But we're going to go into the parts of the Box and Whisker plot. There's going to be part 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, part 1 is very, very important, but I forgot its name, so we're going to just skip that. Number 2 is the void. We don't actually think of number 2. It doesn't exist. Just forget about it. Number 3 is this part. Number 4 is very important because it occupies the center. The center of everything, it's the most important number. Number 5 is the corner. Not actually the line, just the corner. And number 6 is the very end where the shadow people live, and we don't talk about them. In between it all is something. I don't know what it is, and you don't want to know what it is. Now, over here is our resource area. We're going to be using all of these to build our plot. Now, since we're very resourceful here, we have already brought out the proper graphing paper for our developing the plot, and we're going to just put down the first part of our graph here. Now, we're not actually going to be taking anything else from the resource area because we're too lazy to do that. So, first, we pull up our paintbrush, and we just drag it along here, and we do this and this. Now, that's almost everything done, but first we gotta actually make our new box over here because this box is terrible. And done, there's the 1 part, and there's the number 2, and then the 5, and the 6, just like we saw over here, over here. And in the middle, again, nothing. But we must not taint art, so we're going to be making a new one right here. Very simple. But we're going into the actual proper usage of the graph now. Nothing. There's no use at all. Nada. Not a single thing. Zero. But one of the actually fun uses is drawing a cat. Again, the whiskers come into play here. So, we're going to be drawing a cat right here. First, we make our plot. Then, we make our graph. Eyes, mouth, and nose. So, we draw the neck of the cat. Very important. Cats have necks. Leg, 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 and the long tail. So, there's one small detail I forgot, and we're just gonna fix that all right now. So, there's detail 1, and we just slide over here, add a bit of shading, and oh, we're almost done. We're almost done. You can start making out some of the hairs right now, and boom. Our picture is done. So, that was quick math with James and the other guy, and we're still not actually having an outro. And we're just going to get rid of that part. That was all produced by Jobin, last name. The end.